Students, if we discuss second topic, subsistence strategies, that is related to the mature Harappan culture or later Harappan period. This shows that later Harappan people have much knowledge in comparison of early Harappan people. Early Harappan peoples have little knowledge of agriculture, pastoralism, craft work, and some of the poetry work. But later Harappan peoples, they knows about fooding items or variety of fooding items. They know about the pastoralism or rearing the animals or variety of animals are reared by them. They used copper tools, they use bull, they use canals, they use wells. That means they are much developed in comparison of early Harappan peoples. The Harappan ate a wide range of plant and animal products, including fish. Archaeologists have been able to reconstruct dietary practices from finds of charred grains and seeds. These are studied by archaeobotanists who are specialists in ancient plant remains. Grains found at Harappan sites include wheat, barley, lentil, chickpea, and sesame. Millets are found from the sites of Gujarat. Some of the sites also showing the evidences of rice, but they are very rare. Animal bones found at Harappan site include those of cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo, and pig. Studies done by archaeogeologists or zooarchaeologists indicate that these animals were domesticated by Harappan peoples for the upliftment of their society or for making their work easy with the help of animals, as we are doing from ancient times. Bones of wild species such as boar, deer, and gharial are also found. Bones of fish and fowl are also found at some of the mature Harappan sites. Heading 2.1, which is a subheading of heading 2, subsistence strategies, is discussing about the agricultural technologies used by the Harappan peoples. If you see the figure 1.3 and 1.4, then in figure 1.3 you came to know about the terracotta bull, which shows that the Harappan peoples have the knowledge of bull. Maybe they are using that bull for plugging their field. In figure 1.4 you are watching some of the copper tools that also shows that these tools are used by Harappan peoples for doing some of the constructive work. Terracotta models of plug have been found at the site in Kolistan and at Banavali in Haryana. After finding these terracotta model or bulls, some of the archaeologists extrapolate that the Harappan peoples maybe used oxen for plugging their fields. Archaeologists have also found evidence of associated with early Harappan rebel. The field has two sets of furrows at right angles to each other, suggesting that two different crops were grown together. Most Harappan sites are located in semi-arid lands where irrigation was probably done with the help of canals. Traces of canals be found at the Harappan sites of Shortughai in Afghanistan. But these canals are absent in the sites of Punjab or Sindh. It may be possible in the Punjab or Sindh they are using bell water for irrigation because the abundance of water, because of the availability of water by river Indus or its tributaries. At the site of Dholavira in Gujarat, we found a reservoir which may be used by Harappan peoples or mature Harappan peoples for irrigating their fields or for agriculture. Figure 1.5 shows the reservoir which we found at Dholavira. If you note the masonry work or observe the masonry work which is done by the masons in this reservoir, that also shows that they have a very healthy knowledge of mathematics or so many other studies which are used for constructing that type of reservoirs. Saddle cones. It is a type of stone which is carved in shape, and a hammer type stone is also used along with that curved stone.